Hey yo, YouTube. I'm back here with another video. Um, progress, man. Doing good. So today we had news. That was the first thing I did when I came to the market. I saw news. We had unemployment claims by 8:30, and we had home sales by 10 a.m. Today was a good day, actually. Very good day in and out of the market. Not too much. I didn't really stay long here. I took a trade on gold. Like I told you guys, I'll be trading this day for now till next month. I'll be trading demo accounts till next month. I have to work on my strategy, not necessarily my strategy, my psychology and my discipline until I get back into the prop firm space. So today I took a trade on gold. This trade was a very easy and simple trade, right? The first thing I did when I came into the market today was I was on a 4-hour time frame. Main seeing the 4-hour time frame was bullish. I knew for a fact that I was only looking for longs. And high impact news had already come out. High impact news came out at 8:30. When I saw this, I'm like, okay, by 10 a.m. we're expecting premium pending home sales. And pending home sales is usually not a high impact news. It's just they just create more volume in the market. So I'm like, okay, no problem. I can actually take a trade before 10. So when I saw that the 4-hour time frame was bullish, right, I scaled down to the aligning time frame, which is the 15 minutes. I had to check for what's price did the previous session, and I noticed that when London session opened, New York session opened, it swept London session on the 15-minute time frame, right? And prior to that, the 15-minute time frame was already bullish. I'm just explaining my logic behind the trade I took. What's that noise? I'm simply explaining my logic behind the trade I took. The 15-minute time frame was bullish, and I was like, okay, no problem. You see, this is currently New York session, and I saw, like I told you guys before, session sweep. If this session sweeps the previous session, you should expect what? A reversal, right? Oh my god. Aligning with that bias. That is, if your bias is bullish and you see a lower time frame, or let's say for instance 4-hour time frame is bullish, 15 minutes time frame is bullish, right? You have to look out for the lows of the previous session, because there's the highest possibility that when the New York Stock Exchange opens, it will sweep the previous session and continue with that bias, the bullish trend. So like I just explained, 4-hour time frame was bullish upon New York open. 15 minutes time frame was bullish here, but then it retraced downwards. Hold on. Yeah, this was bullish here. Here it was bullish, and then it started retracing downwards to take out the previous session low. So when I saw that, I'm like, oh cool, no problem. It swept previous session low, scaled down to the lower time frame, and I saw a break of structure right here. After it came down here to take out this low, this previous session London low, I saw a break of structure in the 5 minutes. And after that break of structure, what the price do? It created an imbalance, that is a fair value gap. And I'm like, oh, this is wonderful, perfect. I was still patient, waiting for a confirmation to actually go into the trade. What I wanted to do was actually place my long position here, but then I'm like, let me actually have another confirmation. So when price tapped into this 5 minutes imbalance right here, I scaled down to the 1 minute time frame. Scaled down to the 1 minute time frame, and did was I was waiting for a break of structure on a 1 minute. That is 15 minutes previous session sweep. Excuse me. Oh my god, excuse me. 15 minutes previous session sweep. 5 minutes break of structure, creating an imbalance. Price tapped back into that imbalance, filled that fair value gap, and continued to upside. Broke structure on the 1 minute. So when price broke structure on the 1 minute here, I entered my position, and I went for a 1-to-1. But guess what? This trade, because what I did before was I placed my settings to percentage, right? So that I won't be looking at the dollar amount, so it won't be messing my psychology. But now I have to put it back. Do you know why? Because this trade that I took, $77. I was so confused. This is like I took just one trade today, and this was the trade. Hold on. What is October? Sorry. You got the trade. excuse me, oh my god, this was the trade, and I was so confused, like what happened, like why is this? Because I told myself that on this 150k account I won't go more than 2 lot size. I won't use too much than 2 lot size, like, regardless of how much. But then I was like confused, like how is it $77? It was actually, if you can see, I don't know how I'll be able to zoom this in. If you can actually see, it was actually $8. Then they had to take $80. Then they had to take out the fees, which was $77. And I was like, oh, $77. Okay, no problem. One good thing I did was stepping out, because I'm like, oh, 77. This is actually a demo account, mind you. I'm still, like I said before, and I was like $77. But the most important thing was the fact that I was able to, take good trade today. The dollar amount didn't really bother me, so I'm like, okay, no problem. So yeah, this is very good progress. I'm just happy with actually realizing that this thing is possible. And some people might actually say that trading on a demo account is different from trading on a live account or a profit account. That's totally true. But then at the same time, if you're actually trading and you have been able to track your progress, you have been able to journal your trades, introspect, and see exactly where your faults are, you'll actually be able to make good progress and you'll be a profitable trader. And I'm really, really anticipating that moment, because I know it's coming very soon. I'll really be a pro. I know to myself that I'm very confident that I can actually make it in trading, and definitely I will. So yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe. Please leave a like, comment on the video, and turn on your post notification. And yesterday I didn't post a video on YouTube because yesterday this was a very, very bad trade. Regardless of how much, this was a very bad trading day. Regardless of how much I made so many mistakes in this yesterday. That was Wednesday, that I'm not really proud of. And I actually reviewed, the trade, and I took my lessons. So yeah, today I'm very, very happy with how I approached the market and the trade I took. And I'm always looking forward to, seeing what the future holds for me. I'm very, very positive about whatever I did today. So yeah, you guys, see you in the next video. I told you I'll be posting consistently from now on, like every day, every single day, day in and day out. I'll be taking documents of all my trades. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.